Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Here are some simple, beautiful and practical tips for cottage style home decor. Use light and airy fabrics. Choose soft materials like cotton, linen and plush. Use them for curtains, table covers, throw blankets. They create a gentle, fresh cottage feeling. And handmade touches. Cottage style celebrates craftsmanship. Include crochet pages, hand-painted jars, embroidered cushion covers. This gives your home a warm, personal touch. Go for warm, soft lighting. Instead of strong ceiling lights, use table lamps, fairy lights, candles. Soft lightings add instant cottage charm. Use natural textures. Incorporate materials like wood, rattan, jute, or wicker. They bring a warm countryside vibe into the home. Decorate with flowers. Fresh or fox flowers brighten any room. Place them in mason jars. Use old pictures as vases. Add small floral arrangements to shelves. Display simple, pretty things. Cottage decor feels cozy and lived in. Try displaying teacups, books, teeny baskets, mini plants, vintage items. Stick to soft colors. Use gentle tones like white, cream, soft green, pastel pink, light blue. They make the room feel calm and inviting. Use vintage-inspired wall decor. Create a soft, nostalgic charm with botanical prints, old recipe frames, rustic clocks, floral artwork. Vintage plates hang on the wall. Layer different patterns. Mix small florals, gingham checks, stripes, and plush. Keep the colors soft so everything blends beautifully. Add soft rugs for warmth. Use braided rugs, jute rugs, or often cotton rugs. They make the floor feel cozy and inviting. Bring nature indoors. Place small plants around the home. Ferns, potted herbs, ivy, mini succulents in ceramic pots. Even fox plants work great for a cottage vibe. Create small cozy corners. Make a cottage nook with a comfy chair, a soft straw, a teeny lamp, and a basket with books or yarn. A perfect cozy retreat. Embrace imperfection. Cottage style is relaxed, not perfect. Slightly worn furniture, mismatched dishes, and handmade items look charming and natural. Use baskets for storage. Keep your space steady with wicker baskets, rope baskets, wooden crates. They are both decorative and practical. Add simple vintage accessories. Try adding old lanterns, ceramic pitchers, metal watering cans, lace runners. These add character without overwhelming the space. Add soft, fluffy bedding. Choose quilts, patchwork blankets, or ruffled bedspreads. Layer them with throw pillows, knitted or crochet drawers. This creates a cozy cottage bedroom look. Use earthy, nature-inspired decor. Bring in decor made from natural elements. Dried flowers, wheat bunches, pine cones in a bowl, wooden candle holders. It adds calm countryside charm. Mix textures for a warm look. Combine linen curtains, crochet cushion covers, knitted blankets, oven rugs. Different textures make the space feel rich and cozy. Add sheer or lace curtains. They allow natural light to flow in softly. Perfect for creating that dreamy, gentle cottage glow. Use decorative trays. Place trays on coffee tables, kitchen counters, dressers. Style them with candles, mini plants, jars, or books to create a curated cottage dignity. Add cute kitchen touches. In the kitchen, use floral or gingham tea towels, vintage enamel chairs, wooden chopping boards, displayed crockery. This creates a sweet cottage kitchen vibe. Keep everyday items beautifully. In cottage decor, even simple items look aesthetic. Use open laundry baskets, glass jars for storage, ceramic pots, pretty coasters. Create small floral moments. Use small pockets in unexpected places. On bedside tables, on bathroom shelves, on kitchen counters, near the window. Little flowers add big charm. Add soft, romantic draping. Use fabric drapes around beds, light canopy, reading corners, windows with double layer curtains. This adds a dreamy cottage feel. Display pretty dishware, showcase floral plates, teacup sets, ceramic bowls. Use a small open shelf or glass front cabinet to show off them. Use small accent tables. Cute wooden side tables or round pedestal tables add charm and are great for plants, lamps, baskets, or books. Add candle lanterns. Rustic or vintage lanterns give a warm, cozy glow perfect for cottage ambience. Hang decorative frames. Use old style frames with pressed flowers, watercolor art, simple quotes, vintage postcards. They fill the walls with personality. Place slipcovers on sofas. Light colored slipcovers like white, beige, floral give an instant cottage makeover and add softness to the room. Style open shelves. Keep open shelves neat and pretty with books arranged by color, small jars, lace runners, baskets, or mini plants. Add from host touches. Blend a little plastic charm, sashes, wooden threads, galvanized metal pots, rustic signs, from house stools. They fit perfectly with cottage decor. Use blue and white accents. Classic cottage colors, blue striped cushions, white jugs, blue floral curtains. This palette feels clean, fresh, and timeless. Add other details. Include decor that looks naturally aged. Distressed furniture, vintage door handles, slightly worn baskets, rustic frames. It gives that true lived-in cottage charm. Lid decorative ladders. Use a wooden ladder for hanging drawers, displaying blankets, adding vertical coziness. Thanks for watching the video.